Hello, good morning everyone. Today, we from Gang of Greatness will discuss and present about cause and effect and prepositional phrase. But before that, I will mention the members of this group, namely Fritz Matthew, Ginting Yefta, Michael Benediktus, and Rafael Andi. The project theme are which one is called as cause and which one is called as effect. Why did you say so? And can you find out the prepositional phrase in the passage? What is its function? Cause and effect.
What is cause and effect? Material that discusses sentences or paragraphs in which it describes the relationship between two things when one thing causes something else to happen. If interpreted one by one, cause is a person, event, condition, or action that triggers something to happen, while effect is the impact, result, or change that result when something is done or happens. Characteristics.
Characteristic of cause and effect. Cause. Number 1, it is a reason. Number 2, answer to the question, why is that happen? Number 3, happen first. Number 4, in Indonesia usually begin with the word karena. Example, because he is sick means karena dia sakit. Effect. Number 1, it is a result or consequence of an action. Number 2, the answer is to the question what happened. Number 3, occurs in the sequence after the cause. Example, I won the competition means aku memenangkan kompetisinya.
Now, let's identify and look for examples of cause and effect from the following text. If you want to read it, you can pause this video first.
Identification result. The production and disposal of plastic products have led to pollution in our ocean, air, and soil. Cause, production and disposal of plastic products. Effect, pollution in our ocean, air, and soil. In the sentence, there's cause and effect. The cause and effect marked with the word led. Identification result. The increasing use of plastic has also resulted in greenhouse gas emission, which contributes to global warming. Cause, the increasing use of plastic. Effect, greenhouse gas emissions and global warming. In the sentence, there's cause and effect. The cause and effect marked with the word resulted and contribution.
Identification results. The consumption of seafood that has been contaminated with plastic can cause serious health issues in humans. Cause. The consumption of seafood that has been contaminated with plastic. Effect. Serious health issues in humans. The plastic waste in the ocean not only harms marine life but also affects human health. Cause. The plastic waste in the ocean. Effect. Affects human health. Reasons. Because in the sentence there are words that indicate the effect. Those words are cause and effects.
Prepositional phrase.
Prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases are groups of words containing prepositions, object, and verb. This phrase helps us explain the relationship between words in a sentence. This phrase can indicate a place, time, or way of someone doing something. Prepositional phrases denote description, time, and place. Prepositional words, for example, A, in, on, at, be, during, until, C. Outside, near, inside, and D. From, across, into.
The functions of prepositional phrase. As adjective, prepositional phrases perform the function of modifying the nouns. As adverb, prepositional phrases are functioning as adverbs. They are modifying verbs. Now, let's take a look at the following text and identify the prepositional phrases in the text. As usual, if you want to read it, you can pause the video.
The first identification result is as adjective. The sentence, "The excessive use of plastic has caused a significant impact on our environment." In the sentence, there are two prepositional phrases, namely of plastic, which function as an adjective, and on our environment, which function as an adjective. The second identification result is as adjective. The sentence, "The plastic waste in the ocean not only harms marine life, but also affects human health." In the sentence, there is one prepositional phrase, namely in the ocean, which function as an adjective, modifies the plastic waste.
Identification results. As adjective and adverb. The production and disposal of plastic products have led to pollution in our oceans, air, and soil. From the sentence beside, of plastic products functions as an adjective because it modifies production and disposal, while to pollution and in our ocean, air, and soil function as adverbs because they describe the verb have led. Now, the conclusion. Cause and effect is material that discusses sentences or paragraphs in which it describes the relationship between two things when one thing causes something else to happen. And prepositional phrases are groups of words containing prepositions, object, and verb. This phrase helps us explain the relationship between words in a sentence. Now, the relationship of the text with other knowledge. Microplastics come from the degradation of larger plastic products, such as bottles, bags, and other plastic items, which break down into small particles due to the influence of sunlight, ocean waves, or other environmental factors. Therefore, the use of plastic must be immediately reduced to reduce the negative impacts that occur. That's all the discussion and presentation from our group. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you for listening.